This is another variant. So what are we getting here? Doesn't look like there's any smoke, but the cooking plate is burning, so it's a bit too hot. Fire is in there. Wow, okay. And there's a firebox underneath. We lift up, let's have a look at the cooking temperatures first. $239, 300 degrees on the plate. 你可以拿起来这个看火。And there's the mouth there. Cheated by putting some wood into the mouth. Okay. So basically a single row of fire bricks vertically stacked. This is where the gap is here, so that's pulled out. I think I need more. So the fire goes up from the bottom, through there, and then under the plate, up the chimney. What's the chimney doing? 79, 25, 36, 22 degrees, so not that hot chimney. So I'm losing a bit through the radiation from the metal plate and also from the chimney. What are we getting now? 200 to 300. Yeah, the oil's burning off. I guess that'll season my plate for me. But it took quite a while to get up to this temperature. What's happened to my fire? It's still burning. Okay, oxygen is from bottom, but because my bricks don't fit, there's a bit of oxygen coming from the side as well. So probably more than the CSA or service area. Okay, thanks for watching.